Welcome to the new video, and this video is all about the OnePlus 15. So the OnePlus 15 launch event in Singapore was insane. I've attended so many tech events before, and this one was crazy next level. So we talked about things like OP gaming core, tri-chip architecture, and 165Hz native FPS. This might sound super technical, right? But what if I tell you it's not? It's actual tech that changes how we game on mobile. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down gamer style. See, gaming today isn't casual anymore. Whether you're playing BGMI, COD, Genshin, MLBB or Asphalt, it's all about precision. Everyone's got a good processor nowadays, but the real difference comes from how your phone handles real-time performance. Things like frame drops, heating issues, touch delays and connection stability. That's what separates winners from the rest. What OnePlus is doing differently this time, they are not just putting a powerful chip and calling it a day. They have tuned the entire system, software, hardware, display, optimized together for gaming. So basically they have built a flagship that behaves like a gaming base. So during the event, they revealed a bunch of terms like OP gaming core, performance tri-chip, FPS max, and honestly guys, I get it. Unless you're super into tech, it sounds confusing. So I thought, let's simplify it, gamer to gamer. So let's talk what these features actually do when you're in the middle of an intense rank match. Alright guys, let's start with this. The OnePlus 15 isn't just about raw power, it's about controlled power. Everything inside this phone is built to make your gaming smoother, faster and more stable. So let's break down the features that actually make this happen. OnePlus gaming core, think of it as a brain of the phone. It is designed from the ground up with the chip level intelligence. What it means for us gamers: no frame drops when chaos hits. You know those moments, 4v4 in BGMI, grenades exploding, smokes everywhere, and suddenly your phone lags for half a second. Gone. This gaming core uses a smart CPU scheduler that evenly distributes load across cores, so nothing overheats, nothing bottlenecks. And the hyper rendering engine ensures every frame is smooth, not boosted, not fake interpolation, just real raw smoothness. Next up, the tri-chip architecture, and one of this chip is fully dedicated to touch. This means every tap, swipe, flick is registered instantly. It's got ultra high touch sampling, zero fault touches, and when your fingers are sweaty, no ghost inputs. For BGMI or CODM players using 4-finger claw setup, this literally feels an upgrade you can sense. The touch chip syncs perfectly with gyro too, so when you aim or control recoil, you get that micro precision accuracy. the second chip in the tri-lane chip system handles Wi-Fi exclusively. Think of it like a VIP lane of your game data. Even when your Wi-Fi is crowded, someone's watching Netflix, another on video call, your game packets get priority access. That means stable ping, less spikes, and almost no packet loss. You can literally be 2 rooms away from your router and still play those rank matches without any rubber banding or lag. For competitive players, that's not just convenience, that's a massive advantage.
Targets in sight. Boom! Headshot.
Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Keep on them. Winning this one.
And finally, OP FPS Max. This is how the OnePlus 15 achieves the 165 FPS gaming, no software trickery, actual native support. Fun fact guys, OnePlus 15 is also the first phone officially supporting 165 FPS in GODM. So yeah, it's not a coincidence. So yeah guys, after attending the launch and then testing it myself, I get why OnePlus keeps saying never settle. It's not about having those biggest numbers on papers, it's about how those specs feels when you're actually gaming. From the gaming core to tri-chip and FPS Max, everything just works together. The OnePlus 15 isn't just another flagship, it's a real performance standard for mobile gaming. Can't wait for you guys to try it out. If you have been waiting for a phone that actually understands gamers, this is it guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.